how to change delivery date on Amazon. To change your delivery date, first of all, open your Amazon application you have in your device. Now, at the button you will see three lines. Hit on that. From here, select customer service. Now, scroll down. At last, you will see need more help option. Go through it. Now, simply hit on the contact us option. From here, you will see an option of something else. Hit on that. Now, create your account or sign in. Once you do that, you will be able to chat with Amazon team and they will help you out to change your delivery date. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.